For our first tutorial, we'll be learning how to set up a document. The first thing we need to do is go up to File, New, and you'll get a screen that pops up. In here we see a couple of things that we need to pay close attention to. The first thing we need to do is name our document. Then we move down to Presets. It's important that you select International Paper. Once you click that, you'll have a couple of options pop up: size, width, height, resolution, color mode, and advanced, which you can click, but for the moment we won't be using advanced. First thing we need to do is click on size, select the size you want, A4, A3. Usually we'll only use these two, but for this case I'll select A4. Now under width and height we've got a couple of measurements. These are the measurements for the size, for the A4 size, and if we click on A3 you've got the sizes for A3 size. Now you have to be very careful in making sure that it's portrait or landscape. Currently this is the portrait setup. If we want it to be a landscape setup, we need to change the values. So we'll put 297 to 10. Now under resolution, you always want to have this at 300. During class we'll explain what this means, but make sure that this is always on 300. Also under color mode, you want to keep this as RGB. During class as well we'll learn what the rest of the values are. Once you've done that, just click OK. And there you have your page. In the next tutorials we'll be looking at the toolbars,